brought to you today by the letter G
and by the number 6.
Sesame Street is a production of
the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye, it's next time on Sesame Street, and I'll see you tomorrow on
Sesame Street. Yeah, this is Big Bird.
And Oscar the Grouch. See you next time on the street, please.
See you around the neighborhood.
See you on the street, folks. Bye-bye. And remember, we love you. Mwah.
To learn more about Sesame Street, visit us at www.pbskids.org.
To watch more Sesame Street, watch it on HBO Max, PBS Kids. Watch it on HBO Max, YouTube, PBS Kids, and the PBS Kids video app.
To play more games, play them on the PBS Kids Games app. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for tomorrow because we're making a new parody of Blue's Clues, but this time it's going to be called Barney's Clues. And we're going to look for Barney's Clues just like Blue's Clues, but it's a different game. Instead of Blue's Clues, it's called Barney's Clues. So, bye-bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow on Sesame Street. Bye.
Well, I think we nailed it, Big Bird.
Yep.
Well, guys, you know what it's time for.
I love you song?